In the crypto world, risk does not arrive suddenly. It is ignored. One signal disruption, one misplaced trust, is enough to change everything. SIM replacement is meant to be a normal service, but attackers exploit processes, scripts and data leaks to seize your number. Crydemx observes, when SMS becomes the sole form of verification, identity is no longer secure. Email changed, alerts disabled, assets rapidly swapped, fragmented and transferred. The blockchain is irreversible. Losses are often impossible to recover. Not every scam is complex. In a religious community investment case, there was no public on-chain data, no third-party audit. Crydemx emphasizes, when an investment is left with nothing but narrative, risk is already out of control. Crydemx rejects ambiguity. Combinations of multi-factor verification, layered asset management, and AI risk engine monitoring devices, behavior, cadence, and paths. Before anomalies escalate, the system has already intervened. True security is not reminding you to be careful, but blocking risk on your behalf. Crydemx, security first, transparent by design, building a trusted crypto future together with users.